Hello and welcome to Jigsaw Shed. Now this project is a follow-on from the yarn bowl, and in this I make something my wife refers to as the wool wand. Now I did not know the name for this till someone mentioned it in the comments on the yarn bowl, but it is a nostepinne, or at least as I think it's pronounced. It is to make a skin of wool that will go inside the yarn bowl. But before we get going, just want to give a couple of shout outs. The first is to Andy's Designs. His YouTube channel is Andy Glenachli, Posh Firewood Green. And then the next is Doug Miller over at Woodspun Around. Now, I've followed Doug since he started his channel. Great chap and some great stuff that he's made. Do go and check out both these guys. The channel links will be in the description below. Anyway, let's get going and I hope you enjoy. Well, there you go, 2 oak Nostepinnes. This was a fun, quick project. It's basically like turning a wand. The only part, making sure that this part is tapered and that you've got some anchoring points for the wool. So I've got the top and the bottom, so whichever the person using it favors. But this will make a nice addition to with the yarn bowl that I made recently. Obviously, other options for decorating it is possible as well. Just depends on how much time you want to spend on them. But I was told they will make also good sellers at craft markets. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. And please remember to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so yet. Give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.